Welcome to Interview Cracker. This is Saurabh. Today I will discuss about bitwise operator. दोस्तों इसमें हम ये जो सेशन है इसमें हम देखेंगे पहले bitwise ऑपरेटर का मतलब क्या है, उसके बाद देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ bitwise ऑपरेटर, उसके बाद हर एक ऑपरेटर के बारे में हम डिस्कशन करेंगे। उसके बाद दोस्तों देखेंगे इसका जो उसका प्रैक्टिकल भी इस वीडियो में आपको मिल जाएगा। चलिए दोस्तों bitwise ऑपरेटर का मतलब क्या है देखते हैं। तो bitwise operator, these operator act upon individual bits. That means it act upon individual bits. That is means the 0 and 1. And the thing is that why we use the bitwise operator, and why we understand the concept of bitwise operator. That is generally, if you know that the BC is called as a middle level language. Why? Because it's used for the hardware and also the software. That is the bitwise operator are used in C. That's why it's used in the embedded system. That means like AC, that means the hardware level language are used on that embedded system. Bitwise operator, the application where we use the bitwise operator, embedded system and network security also, that is the field where bitwise operator are used. And main thing is that when we use bitwise operator, that means 0 and 1 directly, that means our processing speed is very fast. That's why we use the bitwise operator. The bitwise operator is six types, that is bitwise complement, bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR and bitwise left shift and right shift. So first I discuss about that bitwise complement. This operator returns complement form of a number. Like if you take example A10, so it complement of A, that means if you take 8 bit, that means 40 and 10 matlab 1010. If you complement that, that is the binary form, that means 10 decimal converted to the binary number, and after complement that means 1 1 1 and 0 1 0 1. If you convert that binary digit to decimal, that gives you minus 11 base 10. So that is the out. So we take first bitwise AND operation. Bitwise AND operation, for that we take x value is 5 and y value is 6, and after then we convert that x value to the binary. So binary generally we take the 8 bit 40, and after then 0 1 0 1, and y value is that means 40, and after then 6, that means 0 1 1 0, and calculate x XOR x bitwise and y. If we apply that, that means for that table we use that 0 0 0 0, and after that 0 1 0 0, that means its output is 4. If we same bitwise OR operators are used, that means 4 0, and after then 0 and 1 0 1, that means 0 1, that means the XOR OR 1, and after then 1 also, that is the 7. If you apply the XOR operation, that means 4 0, and after then 0 and XOR, that means 0 0 and 1 1, it gives the output 0. So 0 0, that means that is the 0 0, and 1 1 1, that means the 0, and also that is the combination 1 and 1, that is gives the output 3. That is the operation. And now we understand the left and right shift operator of bitwise. Here this operator shift the bits of a given number towards left a specified number of times. That means we shifted that operator in the left. So if you take example like 10, it gives the binary number in 4 digit, 4 0 8 digit, that means 1 0 1 0, and if we apply the left shift 2 times, it gives it left shift 2 times, that means 0 0 0, that means 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. that means shifted to the left side, we shift, that means 2 times, that means 0 are here, 2 times 0 are added to the right side, and that is the output is that 40. Use the right shift for that same example 10, it gives you, that means the right shift, that means we apply 2 times here, and it gives the 40, and right shift, that means 2010. So that is the output, and that gives you with, that gives 2 output. That is the left side and right.
जो पीटवाइज ऑपरेटर का, इसमें दोस्तों हम दो ठो वेरिएबल लिए हैं, एक्स एंड वाई। एक्स का वैल्यू 10 है, 12 का वैल्यू, वाई का वैल्यू 12 है, एंड आफ्टर देन वी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एक्स वैल्यू, दैट कॉम्प्लीमेंट एक्स एंड बीटवाइज एंड ऑपरेटर एंड बीटवाइज और एंड बीटवाइज एक्सओर अप्लाई ऑन एक्स एंड वाई, एंड आफ्टर देन वी लेफ्ट शिफ्ट ऑन एक्स एंड राइट शिफ्ट ऑन एक्स। इसका जो एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं दोस्तों, इसका जो देखिए दोस्तों, कॉम्प्लीमेंट एक्स का 11 है, एंड का एक्सॉर एंड इसका हर एक का इसमें रिजल्ट आया है दोस्तों, देखिए। और जो बीटवाइज लेफ्ट शिफ्ट और राइट शिफ्ट का भी